if you are getting a strong feeling, please act on it. There's nothing more powerful than surrender. My partner makes me feel so loved. Life has so beautifully changed. Now I feel so loved, supported, cared. Who am I addressing this script? I feel so blessed that I have been experiencing such beautiful moments in my life. Before you write the complete script, first follow these steps. Remember the golden rule. Blessed, lucky, joyful, grateful, amazing, beautiful, lucky. If this step has not been carried out, you may script, but it may not have any meaning. If you get a strong feeling of doing something, don't keep it stuck or pending. It will not take you more than 5 minutes. Your script can be the turning point in your life. You're about to write your life script. Always give your desire to God. The feeling with which you are writing should be very positive, very pure. Come up with some positive words which you will use in your script. So before you write the complete script, first follow these steps. I feel so welcome in my partner's family. Every day is such a blessing with my partner. Write that in a positive present tense, as if it is already happened. So what do we do to script correctly first of all? Follow these 5 important steps. Most people think that scripting is all about writing their wishes down. But scripting becomes effective when you understand the depth of the practice. Scripting goes much more than simply writing your wishes down. It's all about aligning your energy with what you want. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple but powerful 5-minute scripting technique that has helped me personally in my own manifestation journey. I'm sure that if you apply this method, you will understand where you're going wrong and how you can make your scripting more effective by spending 5 minutes a day to align your energy with your deepest desires and goals. The simple technique will help you align your energy with your dream and reprogram your subconscious mind for success and healing in your life. If you've been scripting and not seen success, make sure you watch this video right up to the end. First of all, scripting is often looked at as a way of communicating what we want to the universe, where we look at how we can express all our desires down on paper. Scripting is much deeper than that. Because when you're writing down what you want, if you're not connecting with the energy that you want to invite into your life, it becomes an incomplete practice. So, when you're writing your script, remember that writing one day is not going to bring you miraculous results. So, you may have tried scripting today and you're expecting, where is my goal? Is it going to happen now or no? I tried scripting. Then you have to remind yourself that universe doesn't respond to what you do one day. Your subconscious mind doesn't engage only with what you do once. It engages with what you do repeatedly on a daily basis. So like every other practice, what is important in scripting is consistency, clarity with which you have put down your thoughts. Most importantly, what you have written should be able to activate positive feelings within you. There are so many people who will write a script and later when they read it, it doesn't bring any positive feelings. Perhaps what they have written is not igniting their inner spirit, is not boosting their vibration. So that is again not an effective way to script. So what do we do to script correctly first of all? Follow these 5 important steps. Number 1, firstly, identify what you exactly want. I don't mean by all the things because you may know that you want a house, you may want a partner, you may want a job or a certain level of income coming up every month. That is okay. What is your topmost goal right now in your life? Be clear about this is my topmost priority. I want you to write that in a positive present tense as if it has already happened because this is the foundation for writing your script. For example, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have attracted my loving, supportive, caring partner, respectful partner in my life. Maybe you are looking for a new relationship and partner is your priority. You have written it in this manner. Because in scripting, we are going to focus on one thing, not multiple goals. One important manifestation. We want to experience that. We want to mentally connect with it. That is the power of scripting. So that is the step 1 you have to take. Write down clearly one top priority. Step 2. Now, a lot of people will miss this step. This step is about actually ensuring that you connect with the energy of what you want in paper as well as in your mind and vibration. So for that, write down or describe how your life will change after this goal has manifested in your life. Now, if this step has not been carried out, you may script, but it may not have any meaning. You may script, it may not have any power. You may script, it may not have any strong foundation. So, what is this step all about? Imagine if your dream partner has come into your life. How different is your life today? So, this is all about describing in words how you feel now that it has manifested. For example, I'm feeling so lucky that I have my dream partner. My partner makes me feel so loved. Life has so beautifully changed. Now I feel so loved, supported, cared for. My partner does these little things for me which make me feel so loved. My family is so happy that I have chosen the right person in my life. I feel so welcome in my partner's family. Every day, such a blessing with my partner. Now, see how feelings have got so much of depth. Only writing, I'm grateful my dream partner has come. Did it really induce anything special? No. But this step of describing your feelings, now that it has manifested, completely changes the dynamics of this practice. That is the step we are missing. So before you write the complete script, first follow these steps. And this step, if you have not done, do it. You may even pause the video and complete this step, but you will notice the difference it makes in your life. Describe how your life has positively got better, how this manifestation has changed what you feel about yourself and life in general. Even the positive differences outside. For example, if your manifestation top goal is about a dream job, then how has your lifestyle changed after you have got this job? What are the things you have been able to do for your family? So think about the next step. Think as if you're a person who has manifested this and now you are able to do so much for yourself because of this manifested goal. That is what we have to write. You can write in few words, you can take one page to write this, but describe. The more descriptive you are, the better it is. Now let's come to step 3 for scripting. Very important step. Let's identify one person or few people who you want to involve in this script. Now, take for example your dream partner who you have manifested. The kind of impact that this partner will have, not just on you, on your family, will be very high. For example, your parents are happy for you. Maybe you're sharing with a best friend how you are feeling so blessed in your life because of this partner. So whether it is involving parents, it is involving a friend, it is involving someone very dear to you like your siblings or your cousins, identify who are the people you will be including in your script. Because in reality, when something happens, we celebrate, don't we, with family? We celebrate with friends. And success is all about sharing our joys with others. We share our success with others. To make it really real and relatable for your subconscious mind and brain, please follow this step. Identify or choose people who you want to include in your script. This should be ready beforehand. Now, step 4. Once you've identified people, next step is always to come up with some positive words which you will use in your script. Make a list of, let's say, 10 words at least that you will use, that you will keep referring to, writing and including in your script. For example, the word blessed, lucky, joyful, grateful, amazing, beautiful, lucky, such words. Make a list of 10 such positive words. Because you see, these words will add more power and vibrationally make you stronger. Because normally, when we are very happy, we always describe our feelings like, it was so amazing, I feel so blessed, I'm so lucky, I feel so grateful, I feel on top of the world. All these things which you can express through words, these are feelings which you can express in your script, and they will beautifully change and add more power to your scripting technique. Once this step is done, you have included some words in your list that you would want to make a part of your script. The last step is about actually writing the complete script. However, one mistake we often do, we don't give importance to the energy with which we are writing. For example, you're scrolling through social media and then now you're deciding, okay, let me write my script. Or you are watching a news channel, some negative news has been fed to you and you decide to write your script. Sometimes we even go as far as, back answering someone, arguing with someone, and we are writing our script. No. Environment in which you are writing, the feeling with which you are writing should be very positive, very pure. This is like a sadhana. Consider it like such a beautiful practice which can change the way your subconscious reacts to your goals, connects with your goals, connects with all of life. And you can be like that mother who can give the right environment to the child to blossom. So, before you write the script, please ensure that you are in a happy mode. Take a few deep breaths. If you're triggered, unhappy, wait for some time. Feel a little better. Then do the practice. Don't write when there's a lot of noise around you. Choose a time where there is silence. And before you start writing, just make sure all the 4 steps which you have already done are with you. It should be with you. Your book should be ready. And now you're writing the final script. Take a few deep breaths. Always give your desire to God. I will always tell you that there is nothing more powerful than surrender. So seek God's guidance. Pray to the universe that you're about to write your life script. You're about to put your manifestation into words. May the universe's power join you and help you to come up with a script that will beautifully change your life forever. Trust me. You pray like that, you seek guidance like that, and your script can be the turning point in your life. Now, actually sit, write down the script. Make sure that this is a description of your manifestation come alive. One question people often have is, who am I addressing this script to? No one. It's not like you are writing this directly to the universe and saying, dear universe, now I am so happy. If you want, you can. Otherwise, just imagine that you're describing this very scene to yourself. How do you write gratitude in your journal? I'm so grateful that this has happened in my life. So imagine you are talking to yourself in a way, because whatever you say to yourself, you are actually telling the universe. You are actually telling the divine spirit and power within you. So you can start your script with, I feel so blessed that I have been experiencing such beautiful moments in my life. Then start with perhaps maybe that point where you decided that this is the right person for you. When I first saw my life partner, wondering whether this is going to happen. But as my partner and I got closer, we decided to be together. We saw the happiness on the faces of our parents. We felt that we are on the right track. The universe is guiding us. The moment that we exchanged rings, the moment that we took these vows to be with each other always was the most special moment. Today, we are celebrating our first anniversary. Maybe you can write that. It's been 1 year since we are together. It feels like such a blessing to have this person. He's very respectful. He's always encouraging me to think about myself, to put my interests first. You can also perhaps write this scene where you're talking to your mother. Maybe that is what your manifestation is all about. That perhaps it's your dream job and you're giving your offer letter to mother and you're describing it. That as I give my offer letter to my mother, I see the happiness on her face and she's telling me, I'm so proud of you, beta. I love you so much. I always knew you can do this. I knew you deserve this. So you decide what you want to write, which are the people, as I said, you want to include. Once you have already identified it, now your script can go any direction. See, it's not like you have a specific rule that this is what you have to say. But now that you have followed the earlier 4 steps, your script becomes very easy. Because not only are you describing how that feeling was when it happened, you're also describing how your life has beautifully changed because of your manifestation coming true. Now, please hear me out very carefully. The mistake people make is once the script is done, either it is in some drawer, sitting inside the cupboard, or they have forgotten about it completely. Once or twice they read it, now it's disappeared. You don't do that. Once you have written your script, for the next 30 days, write the same script every day. Now, it may not be exact words every day, understandable, but because the 4 steps are already done, 5th step is about just write. Take 1 page. Don't write very long pages, not required. 1 page should be your powerful script, to the point, but beautiful, lovely words. People you love are involved. You're sharing your thoughts and feelings about how you feel today. 1 page, every day you write. It will not take you more than 5 minutes. If your script is taking you more than 5 minutes, you're writing too much, not required. 5 minutes only take for this exercise, every day. Now, after 30 days, see what changes you're observing in yourself. Chances are that you have become more confident. Your goal has become so familiar with you that now the negative thoughts of, is it going to happen? Do I deserve this? Am I lucky enough? Would have come down. Your body would be more relaxed. Your mind would be more peaceful. This will happen if you're doing it every day for the next 30 days. After 30 days, if you choose to continue writing, because some of us may really love writing and it's a beautiful way to express our emotions, please continue writing. However, for those of us who feel that perhaps I can now just read the script or I can just connect with this scene through my script by reading it, very well, you can do that as well. But I would insist first 30 days write. After that, you may just read your script. Just read every line, pause in between to actually observe what you're feeling from inside as you're reading this. So, this is one of the most powerful ways to make your script effective. Either you write it every day or read it every day with a smile on your face. After you finish writing your script or reading the script, remember the golden rule. Always sit in silence for a couple of minutes. Now, we don't do this. We finish reading, finish writing. Now, we will jump to the next task. We will get up, go, talk to someone, open the door. Don't do that mistake. When you are writing the script or reading it, you have brought yourself into a very powerful receptive mode. The subconscious mind is picking up the information. Allow it to settle. So, close your eyes, sit in silence, and simply express gratitude for this manifestation coming true. Universe, I'm so grateful to you. Thank you for being there for me. I love you. I offer everything that I've been through to you. Please keep guiding me. And just notice how you will experience more deeper relaxation. Sometimes an idea will come to you right after the script. Maybe something you had to do, you had to take some action, an idea will pop up. Some solution will come. Some inspiration will come. So don't miss this step of making your scripting technique effective by practicing gratitude immediately after you have finished your script. Gratitude opens doors to positivity and healing in your life. Whatever is not resolved also with gratitude gets resolved. Gratitude alone has that power to take you from negativity to positivity within few minutes. So practice this golden rule to make your scripting effective. One last thing, if you feel that something is pending in your life for very long, like something has not been resolved, you have to talk to someone you haven't been talking to, observe after scripting. If you get a strong feeling of doing something, don't keep it stuck or pending. If you feel strongly about something and you feel that this is going to make your life better, please be proactive, because scripting is not just about communicating everything to your subconscious mind or connecting with universe. It is also about taking inspired action. So if you are getting a strong feeling, please act on it. It's okay if it didn't turn out perfect, but life is about experimenting. Life is about trying, taking efforts. So don't just restrict your manifestation to am scripting. Now somebody will knock at my door and everything will be brought to me. Please understand the importance of action in manifestation. So while you script regularly, ensure that your feelings are positive in the day. Try to speak good words and try to see what is your inner self guiding you towards. Take action and leave the results to the universe. Follow Lord Krishna's advice. Do your best. Leave the rest to God, because there's nothing more powerful than surrender. I hope that this video has given you clarity on what could be going wrong and how you can make your scripting method more effective. Comment, I choose a new story, and let's begin this beautiful journey together. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.